All right, we're going to take the sanitizer. So what I've done is I've just removed this piece right here because I want to make sure these pieces are sanitized. And I'm going to open this top valve here just so it runs out of this valve. And it is. I'm going to close that up. Put some sanitizer in that. Good. Now we're going to take this piece off. And we're going to open this valve here and see what happens. So I have the Marmeleiro honey in here, and I just put 140-degree water in because it's, as I'll show you in a second, it's really crystallized on the bottom, very thick, and I'm trying to loosen it all up. And then we'll do a gravity. It smells absolutely wonderful, but if you could see, look at that. It's been sitting in here for months. We need to loosen it all up. There it is. The top was liquidy, but that was false. There we go. It's starting to come out now. And this beer paddle is the perfect tool, just like it is for a mash tun. It just gets right in there and gets all that out on the bottom. See what I'm talking about? That is good. This honey's from Brazil. This is 9 pounds. Before I whip this thing and put more water in, I need to really get it off the bottom. There's still a lot really crystallized in there. Although it's loosening up. Boy, that tastes good. That's working pretty good, Jeff. I think I'm almost ready for the whip. Yeah. This is what we should have done with Schmecker. He should have done this because he had all that honey on the bottom. It's deceiving when you think it's all liquid.
Well, yeah, it's stuff really liquid.
Yeah, that was a mistake. Now, I know we don't have enough water in here. We're going to take care of that after we do some gravity checks. We're going to use the Anton Paar for that. All right, we're going to mix it up. It's only about a half a gallon to a gallon of water in here. We need more. All right. All right, well, we did a gravity with the Anton Paar and 2 refractometers and 2 hydrometers. And the hydrometers, there's too high a gravity to pick it up, and the refractometer is the same thing. And the Anton Paar came at 1.197. So we're gonna add a little bit more water, not much. Okay. Don't want to go too crazy. All right, we're going to do another gravity. The OG is 1125, and we also tested this with 2 refractometers. Well, those didn't get a reading, but the 2 hydrometers we tested with it, one came in at about 1130, the other one came in 1128. So I'm going to weigh out about 4.21 grams of Fermaid O. All right, now I'm going to release the pressure from the spunding valve from the tank. And now I'm going to shake, shake, shake. The bird's going crazy. I'm in the motorhome. I'm at the beach on vacation. See, I've got the Cornical. I'm just shaking. The pressure's up. So 1 psi where I want it. So we'll shake it again later.